Want the DraftKings Referral bonus? Quick step-by-step guide for 2026. Step 1. Open the DraftKings app or website and sign in or create an account. Step 2. Tap Refer a Friend in the menu or profile area. Step 3. Copy your unique referral code from the referral page. Step 4. Share the code with friends or paste it during their sign-up. Make sure friends use the code and meet the deposit requirements to qualify. When your friend registers and deposits, both of you receive the referral bonus. Exact flow. Friend signs up, enters your referral code, for example your code 2026, then completes the minimum deposit and verification. Check the referral status in the app under My Rewards to track bonus progress. Note, bonuses vary by state and terms apply, so always check eligibility before sharing. If bonuses don't appear, contact DraftKings support with transaction details and screenshots. Ready? Share your code, claim your bonus, and tap the link below to get started now.